I just got this new mini fridge, so let's fill it up. I'm putting water in these cups and putting these cups in the fridge. They look so cute in the fridge. Let's speed it up a little bit.
Now let's put snacks in there.